Hello, so I'm just going to go through how we do each question. So you can think about the ones that you got right and the ones you got wrong, and you can see how to do them. So with 55 take away 6, if we're to do this with mental maths, so quick maths, I think, okay, 55, I know if I take away 5, I get to 50, and then I'm left with 1 because I can partition 6 into 5 plus 1. Okay, so 55 take away 5, I get to 50, and then take away 1, and I get to 49. The next question said 24 children get into groups of 6. Okay, so when I know I'm making groups of something, I know it's division. Okay, so 24 divided by 6. I think of my times tables, I think, okay, 6 times what gives me 24? 6, 12, 18, 24. So the answer there is 4. My next question says, how many 7s in 42? So I think again of my times table, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. So I know my answer is 6, because I also know 6 times 7 is 42. And for question 4, I know the perimeter, I add all of the sides, okay? So making sure that you add each and every one of the sides. Okay, and question 5, it asks us what's the perimeter. So if I know this is 12, I also know this is 12, and that's 9. So if I add 12 plus 12, I get 24, and 9 plus 9 I know is 18, because 9 times 2 is 18, and I add those two, so this is all 4 sides. 8 and 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 3, 4, and my answer is 42. So the perimeter equals 42. Question 6 asked us, what's the perimeter of this square? So if I know the square, what do I know about a square and all of its sides? So I only know one of the sides, but I know a square has the same sides. Okay, so all of the sides are the same, and then I know that it's just 7 times 4, which is 28. And for this one, it asked us, when we go to the shop, if we buy a bar of chocolate, that's 8 dirhams and we pay with 20. So this one is always subtraction, because you're taking 20 and you're giving away 8. Okay, so 20, take away 8, and I know from my number bonds, I know that 8, add 2 to get 10, and then 10, so it's 12 dirhams. Okay. And this question asked us, what's halfway between 40 and 50? So I know if I draw a number line, I have 40, and then I have 50. Okay, and I know that halfway is always 5. So we have 5 here and then 5 here. So the answer is 45. And for question 9, it asked us, what's the unshaded fraction? So I know that these 3 are shaded in. So there's 4 parts in total. And I know that one of them is not shaded in. So it's 1 out of 4, or 1/4. And the next question asked us, which one of these is 1/2 equal to? Okay, if you looked at the picture, it also gave you a little hint. But if you look at these, so 4 over 6, well, 4 is not half of 6. Okay, so it's not that one. 2 over 6, is 2 half of 6? No. And 4 over 8, is 4 half of 8? Yes, it is. Okay, so we have 4 over 8. Or if you think 2 times 4 gives me 8, same to the top, 1 times 4, 4 over 8.